Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming essentials, carrier voicemail support, and an active plan, because voicemail relies on your network. Once done, make sure your iPhone is up to date and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular so settings sync. Now open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. You should see a Setup Now button. Tap it, then create a voicemail password when prompted. This initial flow enables the default greeting and message storage for both visual and standard voicemail. Next, you'll set the greeting and lock down access. Choose Custom to record a personal greeting or Default to use the carrier's message. This explains who callers reach. After tapping Custom, press Record, speak clearly, then tap Stop and play to review. If satisfied, tap Save, otherwise re-record. Make sure to create a voicemail password when asked, and enter any carrier PIN if required. That prevents unauthorized access. Finally, check the voicemail list to confirm greeting appears and messages can be left. Finish by testing. Call your number from another phone and listen for the greeting, then leave a message. Once done, check the voicemail tab for the new message. Visual voicemail may take a minute to populate. If voicemail doesn't work, toggle airplane mode, then reconnect, or restart your iPhone. If problems persist, reset network settings or contact your carrier. Many issues are carrier side. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings before deeper steps so you don't.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.